Dear students, I am Lokanayaki from Trinity Academy Namakkal. Today we are going to discuss about 8th general knowledge. The first chapter is understanding plants. The first question is, can a plant grow if its seeds is planted upside down? The answer is yes. The roots of plant always grow downwards and the shoots always grow upwards. On germination, the roots emerge first. The growth triggered by a hormone called auxin. Auxin is the name of a hormone. It coordinates the growth system and root system and development. It ensures that they head in right direction. The hormone guides the shoot system upwards through the soil. The second question is, why do most night blooming flowers have a strong fragrance? The night blooming flowers such as jasmine and night queen depend on moths, bats and other creatures of the night for pollination. As these pollinating agents have a keen sense of smell, the flowers give out a strong fragrance in order to attach them. The third question is, why do the leaves of some trees change color in autumn? Apart from chlorophyll, which gives green color to leaves, other pigments such as xanthophyll means yellow pigment, carotene means orange pigment, and anthocyanin means bright red are also present in leaves, although they are invisible. During winter, there is not much sunlight for photosynthesis to take place and trees temporarily stop producing food. Hence, the green chlorophyll disappears and other pigments become prominent. The next question is, how does lightning helps plants? Plants need nitrogen as a nutrient for their growth. Although the atmosphere contains nitrogen gas, it cannot be used by plants as they absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrates. The high amount of heat generated during lightning causes the nitrogen to combine with oxygen to form nitric oxide. The nitric oxide then dissolves in rainwater and forms nitrates. Enter the soil with rainfall and can be easily absorbed by roots. Now let us see Chapter 2, Australian Fauna. This wild dog is a continent's largest land predator. Unlike domestic dog, it is known as to bark less and howl more. It also occurs in Southeast Asia. These animals are called dingoes. The second question is, it is the largest bird in Australia, although it cannot fly. Its powerful legs enable it to run up to 50 km per hour. The answer is emus. Emus are soft feathered brown flightless birds with long necks and legs and can reach up to 1.9 meters. The next question is, it is a marsupial found only in Tasmania. This carnivore is also known for its terrifying screech and ferocious behavior. The answer is Tasmanian devil. The world's largest surviving carnivorous marsupial, the devil has a thick set of squat build with relatively large broad head and short and thick tail. The next question is, this rabbit like animal has a long muzzle and long ears. It uses its powerful forelimbs to dig burrows. The answer is greater bilby. The greater bilby, it has a long pointed snout and forelimbs adapted for burrowing with short clawed toes. The next question is, this marsupial which look like a kangaroos grows a mere 30 to 60 centimeter tall. Its coat is usually brighter than the kangaroos, coming in 2 to 3 different colors. The answer is wallaby. The Australian wallaby, they have a hind legs larger than forelimbs, large hind feet and long muscular tails which they use for a balance. The next question is, the noisy bird belongs to the kingfisher family. It is known for its distinctive call which sounds like human laughter. The answer is Kokapura. The Kokopura is look like a terrestrial tree kingfisher which grows to between 28 and 42 centimeter in length. Its weight around 300 grams. The next question is, this is egg laying mammal has a flat snout and webbed feet. The male of a species is venomous. The answer is duck-billed platypus. The duck-billed platypus has a beak like a duck, webbed forelimbs for swimming, clawed hind feet for aid in burrowing. Question is, it is a large bird widely found in the waters of Australia. Its enormous beak, measuring up to 49 centimeter, is the longest among birds. The answer is Australian pelican. It is a large water bird widespread on the Australia. It is a predominantly white bird with black wings and a pink bill. The third chapter is a date with history. Write the year in which this important event in history took place. The first question is, the Wright brothers fly the first successful aeroplane, laying the foundation for modern aviation. The answer is 1903. In this year, Wright brothers Orville and Wilbur were two American aviation pioneers generally credited with inventing, building and flying the world's first successful motor operated aeroplane. The third chapter is a date with history. Write the year in which this important event in history took place. The first question is, the Wright brothers fly the first successful aeroplane, laying the foundation for modern aviation? The answer is 1903. In this year, Wright brothers Orville and Wilbur were two American aviation pioneers generally credited with inventing, building, and flying the world's first successful motor operated aeroplane. The second question is the Berlin Wall that divided Germany and became the symbol of a Cold War comes down. The answer is 1989. The Berlin Wall was a guarded concrete barrier that physically and ideologically divided Berlin from 1961 to 1989. The third question is the assassination of Australian Crown Prince Ferdinand sparks a chain of events leading to World War I. The year 1914. The Prince Ferdinand sparks, the sparks that ignited World War I was struck in the Sarajevo and Bosnia, where Arctic France Ferdinand heir to the Austro-Hungarian Empire was shot to death along with his wife. The next question is the luxury ocean liner, the Titanic, which was believed to be unsinkable, sinks on its maiden voyage. The year 1912. The Titanic ship was early morning 15th April 1912 in the North Atlantic Ocean, 4 days into her maiden voyage from Southampton to New York. The next question is the United Nations is formed at the end of World War II to secure world peace. The year 1945. The Truman announced Japanese surrounded at the end of the World War II. The news spread quickly and celebration erupted across the United States on September 2, 1945. Formal surrender documents were signed aboard the USS Missouri, designating the day as an official victory over the Japan. The armed revolution in Russia ends the autocratic rule of the Tsars. The year 1917. The two revolutions swept through the Russia, ending centuries of imperial rule and setting into motion political and social changes that would lead to the formation of the Soviet Union. The next question is the first modern Olympic Games are held in Athens, Greece. The year 1896. The first Olympic Games recorded were held at Olympia in the Greek city. The state of Elis held in Athens, Greece. In the Athens, 280 participants from 13 nations competed in the 43 events. The next question is Germany led by Adolf Hitler invades Poland, triggering World War II. The year 1939. Adolf Hitler was a German politician and leader of a Nazi party. He initiated World War II in Europe by invading Poland on 1st September. The next question is computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invents the World Wide Web while working at the CERN laboratory in Geneva. The year 1989. CERN, European Laboratory for Particle Physics, formerly called European Organization for Nuclear Research. The American mission Apollo 2 lands the first humans on the moon. Apollo 2 was the first space flight that first landed humans on the moon. Armstrong and Aldrin walked on the lunar surface while Collins remained in the orbit around. Apartheid or racial discrimination comes to an end in South Africa the year 1994. The racial discrimination, the sense of South Africa law can justify be described as a legal pluralistic system. Is Alexander Fleming discovers the world's first antibiotic penicillin, the year 1928. Alexander Fleming was a Scottish physician and microbiologist. His best known discoveries are the enzyme lysozyme in 1923. Thank you, students.
Thank you, students.